So we know from training hundreds of teams all around the world that people learn differently and often need different methods of learning at exactly the same time. So they need to see it and read it, or see it and hear it, or hear it and write it. And that's why in the Innovators Toolkit, we've created the Learner Guide and Workbook. It's 163 pages of pure gold. It takes the key points from our video lessons, our on-demand video lessons, and it summarizes them in the most precise key takeouts for every single lesson. And for each lesson, we also have exercises you can undertake on your own independently that help you apply what you've been learning in your environment, back in your team, in your large enterprise to innovate more successfully. And that means on the very first lesson, day one, lesson one, you're able to apply and you're able to learn and put it all into action. And that's the key thing for us, is that we are specialists in doing innovation. So it's not just the theory or the opinions, it's the doing of innovation, particularly within large enterprise. So yeah, 163 pages of pure gold, accompanies the 35 on-demand lessons plus the live coaching event with our senior expert consultants. These are trainers. These are people who really know what they're doing. They're working with some of the top product design and innovation teams around the world to solve difficult challenges every day. And they're going to be coaching you in the live coaching and practice sessions. And then, of course, we have the toolkit. So the Learner Guide and book is a companion. It's yours to keep. And it summarizes all the principles, all the practices in a really succinct, easy way. You can highlight as you go through, listen to the lesson and watch the lesson, and then highlight what you need to, write in the margins, scribble in the notes section, and do the independent exercises as well. And all this helps you lock in the learning and makes this a very, very practical toolkit. This is really for professionals who need to level up the way they reliably produce successful innovation. So check out the workbook. In fact, check out all of our tools and resources at wayvhello.com. We have early bird pricing at the moment, and the whole lot goes on sale in 5 days.